Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting for you. The Groview Mini Projector. I bought this from the link in the description, and if you're interested, you can use the same link to grab the best price and available discount coupons. This projector is compact, stylish, and comes packed with features that promise an amazing home cinema experience. In this video, I'll walk you through its design, setup, performance, and a few areas where it could improve. First off, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, lightweight, and compact, perfect for carrying around or fitting into your bag. Setting it up was a breeze. The picture quality is where this projector shines. The focus was sharp, and the brightness was impressive, especially for a compact projector. I even tested it outdoors during the day, and to my surprise, the screen was still visible, something my older projector couldn't handle. It has a decent built-in speaker that's loud enough for small spaces. But if you want an even richer sound experience, you can easily connect it to a Bluetooth speaker, and setting that up was super simple. All in all, the Groview Mini Projector is a great choice for anyone looking for a portable, affordable projector with decent performance. Its brightness, picture quality, and Bluetooth capability make it stand out. If you're interested in getting one, check the link in the description below for the best price and discounts.